Branched-chain amino acids are the rock stars of the fitness world. They're a trio of essential amino acids. Why essential? Because our bodies are like that friend who always forgets their wallet. They can't produce these on their own, so we have to get them from our diet. Think of branched-chain amino acids as the secret ingredient for muscle growth and kissing exercise fatigue a final goodbye. Imagine them as your muscle's best friends, always ready to pump you up and keep you going. In this video, we'll dive into the world of branched-chain amino acids, explore their superstar benefits, and show you how to use them like a pro. Branched-chain amino acids come to your rescue with their muscle-boosting powers. They're a trio of amino acids with names that sound like they belong in an action movie: leucine, isoleucine, and valine. Leucine is the muscle-building champion, the Arnold Schwarzenegger of amino acids, pumping up your protein synthesis like no other. Then we've got isoleucine, the energy booster, keeping you up and ready. It's like a cup of espresso for your muscles. And don't forget valine, the repair guy, fixing up those muscles and keeping them in top shape. These amino acids have a cool, branch structure, which is why they're called branched chain, because straight chains are just too boring. Here are the top 5 benefits of branched-chain amino acids. Branched-chain amino acids, especially leucine, get your muscle-building party started. They activate the mammalian target of rapamycin, which is the master switch for muscle protein synthesis. Think of the mammalian target of rapamycin as the DJ of your muscle growth rave, spinning tracks that make your muscles want to dance and grow. So if you're hitting the gym and lifting weights, branched-chain amino acids are like the backstage pass to Gainesville. Next, let's tackle muscle soreness. Ever felt like walking stiff after an intense workout? Yeah, we've all been there. Branched-chain amino acids are like the cool-down crew for your muscles. They swoop in to reduce soreness, making sure you can get back to the gym without waddling like a penguin. Quick recovery means more consistent training, and more training means more gains. It's a win-win. Now let's talk about exercise fatigue. Imagine running a marathon and halfway through, your body decides it's nap time. That's tryptophan whispering sweet lullabies to your brain, making you feel tired. Branched-chain amino acids can block tryptophan from taking over the DJ booth and turning your workout into a snooze fest. By keeping tryptophan in check, branched-chain amino acids help you stay energized and ready to conquer that last set or final mile. Branched-chain amino acids are also secret agents in the mission of fat loss. If you're on a low-calorie diet, they can help you lose fat while keeping your hard-earned muscle. They're like the bodyguards that prevent muscle breakdown, making sure your metabolism stays high. So while you're burning fat, your muscles are safe and sound, continuing to make you look like a fitness superhero. And let's not forget about your immune system. Intense exercise can leave your immune system feeling a bit under the weather. But guess what? Branched-chain amino acids come to the rescue, providing the building blocks needed for immune cell production. They're like the construction crew for your body's defense system, making sure you stay healthy and ready to tackle your next workout. So whether you're looking to bulk up, recover faster, fight off fatigue, or boost your immune system, branched-chain amino acids are your go-to squad. They're working overtime to make sure every workout is a step towards greatness. But what about taking branched-chain amino acids? How much should you actually consume? Well, the proper intake of branched-chain amino acids varies. Think of it like seasoning your food. A little goes a long way. The magic number is usually between 5 to 10 grams per day. If you're an athlete or bodybuilder, you might sprinkle a bit more. But hey, let's not get carried away. Start low, see how your body feels, then gradually up your game. Your muscles will thank you. Also, don't forget that timing is everything. Pre-workout branched-chain amino acids are like a pep talk for your muscles, reducing breakdown and giving you that extra zing of energy. Mid-workout, they're the cheerleaders, keeping your energy levels up and fatigue at bay. And post-workout, they're the ultimate recovery crew, helping your muscles bounce back and reducing that dreaded soreness. So whether you're a morning bird, a midday warrior, or a night owl, there's a branched-chain amino acids time slot just for you. Now, onto the form. Branched-chain amino acids come in all shapes and sizes. Powders, capsules, and ready-to-drink beverages. It's like a buffet of muscle magic. Powders are the most versatile star of the show. You can mix them into your smoothies, juices, or even your secret workout potion. Now let's talk about what branched-chain amino acids do for different types of athletes. Whether you're a bodybuilder, a marathon running machine, or just someone who likes to hit the gym to balance out your pizza intake, branched-chain amino acids are your best friend. Let's break it down. For bodybuilders, branched-chain amino acids are like your personal cheer squad, helping you build muscle, reduce soreness, and recover faster. Especially during those dreaded cutting phases when you're trying to shed fat without saying goodbye to your hard-earned muscle mass. Branched-chain amino acids have got your back, or should I say, your biceps. For endurance athletes who think running 26.2 miles sounds like a fun Saturday, branched-chain amino acids are a game changer. They help reduce muscle fatigue and improve endurance. It's like having an energy drink without the jitters. Pop some branched-chain amino acids during those grueling training sessions or races to keep your energy up and delay that inevitable, "Why did I sign up for this?" moment. And for casual gym goers who might not be aiming to bench press a car or run a marathon, branched-chain amino acids still help. They can improve your workout performance, reduce post-gym soreness, and keep your muscles in top shape. So whether you're lifting weights, hitting the treadmill, or taking that Zumba class, branched-chain amino acids can make your fitness journey a bit smoother and a lot more fun. There are also many forms of branched-chain amino acid supplements out there, and picking the perfect one is like finding the right pair of workout shoes, crucial for performance and style. First up, check out the ratio of amino acids. The classic 2:1:1 ratio of leucine-isoleucine is the gold standard. Think of it as the holy trinity of muscle recovery. But if you're feeling adventurous, other ratios are out there too. Just remember the 2:1:1 ratio has the most street cred in the fitness world. Next, quality and purity. This is no time for mystery ingredients. Go for a reputable brand that flaunts transparent labeling and third-party testing. You wouldn't eat a mystery meat sandwich, so don't settle for a sketchy supplement. Now let's talk about flavors and additives. Some branched-chain amino acids taste like a tropical vacation, while others, not so much. Choose a flavor that makes you excited to gulp it down, and watch out for unnecessary additives. No one needs a side of weird chemicals with their muscle fuel. Lastly, the price. We all love a good deal, but don't just go for the cheapest option. Compare prices per serving and make sure you're getting bang for your buck. After all, you want to flex those muscles, not your wallet. Getting to know the benefits, proper usage, and potential side effects of branched-chain amino acids, you can make smart choices to supercharge your training and recovery. Whether you're aiming to build muscle like a pro, boost endurance like a marathoner, or just level up your overall fitness game, branched-chain amino acids can be a game changer in your supplement stash. Just remember, they aren't a solo act. Combine them with a balanced diet, proper hydration, and a consistent workout routine for the best results. Think of it as assembling your very own Fitness Avengers team. Each part plays a vital role in smashing your goals. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.